If you're wondering how to get to Crieff Hydro, this is the drive once you come off the motorway. You leave the A9 and drop onto the A822, and straight away it starts to feel a bit more like proper Perthshire. Quieter roads, softer scenery, and the main route fading away behind you. It's one of those drives where the pace just naturally settles. Welcome back to Lochs and Highways, everyone. And today, if you haven't guessed already, we're heading into Crieff. Let's take a look.
Roaring through the hills, wild and free. Chrysler 300, my steel beast with me. Wheels carve the path through stone and heath. Northern skies above, my spirits read.
This is more like it now. Rolling Perthshire fields, tree-lined roads, and for once Scotland deciding to give us a decent day for it as well. Calm, relaxing drive through the countryside, apart from that Audi TT apparently qualifying for Silverstone.
My wheels spin, legends whisper as I dive in. Roads of glory under open skies, living the dream, the spirit never dies. Hills of the north, hear my cry tonight. Metal and light, taking flight. Echoes of legends lost in time. Modern chariot, savage and sublime.
If you've made it this far, you must be enjoying the drive, or you've fallen asleep in the passenger seat. If you are enjoying it, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. It helps keep more of these trips going. I've also left a few links in the description for some of the car bits I use. Cleaning stuff, dog gear, that sort of thing, in case it's useful. Just coming into Muthill now. This village actually has a bit more history to it than you'd think at first glance. It was heavily affected during the Jacobite Rising in the early 1700s, and was largely destroyed during the Retreat after one of the major battles in the area, before being rebuilt again in the 1740s. There are still a few reminders of that older history around here as well, including the remains of a medieval church and nearby Culdee Castle, which dates back even further. But today it's a quiet Perthshire village, and you'd never really know what happened here all those years ago.
Oh, flower of Scotland standing proud, your petals whisper, soft yet loud, through mist and heather, wild you grow, a silent watcher where cold winds blow. Oh, flower, sweet flower of Scotland's land, your roots run deep through stone and sand, through storm and shadow, your spirit grows strong, forever you'll stand, flower of Scotland. The glens still whisper, rivers hum of ancient battles fought and won. Your roots hold fast where shadows rest, a thorn crown heart in a rugged chest. Oh, can you hear the hills reply when eagles wheel across the sky? The flower, wild flower of Scotland's pride, your colours shine where eagles glide. From glen to sea, your heart belongs, oh, flower of Scotland, forever strong. From Glencoe's heights to Nevis crown, through mirror locks where skies fall down, in skies wild winds and sterling stone, your story blooms in every home. Through storm and sorrow, frost and flame, your beauty stands, your soul the same, a rebel bloom in Highland air, a crown of thistle, proud and rare. Highland winds forever cry, Scotland's heart will never die. Highland winds forever cry, Scotland's heart will never die. Oh, flower, sweet flower of Scotland's land, your roots run deep through stone and sand, through storm and shadow, your strength goes on. Oh, flower, flower of Scotland strong. Oh, flower, wild flower of Scotland's pride, your colours shine where eagles glide. From glen to sea, your heart belongs, forever you'll stand. Flower of Scotland. So here stay the hills, the heather, the rain, to Scotland's heart, both wild and untamed. Oh, flower of Scotland, still standing tall, the soul of the Highlands, the heart of us all.
Coming into Crieff now. It's a small Perthshire town, but it's long been a bit of a crossroads here, sitting between the lowlands and the routes heading further up into the Highlands. It's also well known for the annual Crieff Highland Games, which bring quite a bit of life into the town each year, with traditional events and visitors from all over the area. The population briefly triples, and parking becomes a competitive sport in its own right. From here, it's just a short run up to the Hydro. Unless you miss the turn, in which case you'll get a full guided tour of Crieff whether you wanted one or not. The Hydro itself dates back to the Victorian era, originally opening in the 1860s as a hydrotherapy hotel, when that kind of water cure tourism was quite popular. And even now, it still sits up on the hillside above Crieff, overlooking the Perthshire countryside as you arrive. So that's the route from the A9 into Crieff and up to the Hydro. Pretty straightforward really. Just follow the road off the A9 through the countryside and you'll end up here eventually. Thanks very much for watching as always, I really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed the drive, feel free to leave a like, drop a comment down below, and give a wee subscribe if you want to come along on more of these trips. It helps keep the channel going, and proves I'm not just talking to myself in the car. Until the next one, drive safe, and I'll see you out there on the roads, or the trails.